Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. So today we are going to learn how to set take profit and stop loss on MEXC Futures so you can protect your trades and lock in profits like a pro. First, open your MEXC application. So let's quickly go over what TP and SL mean. Take profit TP, this is the price at which your position will automatically close to secure your profit, and stop loss SL, this is the price at which your position will automatically close to limit your loss. Using TP SL helps you trade smart, not emotional. Now let's head over to the MEXC Futures platform. Make sure you are on the USDT M Futures tab. Choose your trading pair here. Let's go with BTC USDT for now. So here, select your order type, limit order or market order. And here, set your leverage according to your risk tolerance. So bigger the leverage, more risky it gets. And enter the amount you want to trade. Click open long if you think the price will go up. Click open short if you think price will go down. It's like predicting the future but with risk and rewards. That's why we set take profit and stop loss to protect our money. Now let's set the take profit and stop loss to protect the trade. Click TPSL. Here, enter your desired take profit and stop loss prices. Once everything looks good, hit open long or open short. This way your trade is fully prepared before it's even placed. If you have opened a position, go to Positions tab below. And from there, you can also edit TP and SL anytime using the button next to your open trade. The Position tab shows all your active trades. Once you have placed a long or short trade, it will appear here. It shows key info like entry price, leverage, unrealized profit or loss, your TPSL settings, close position options. This is where you monitor trades that are already live in the market. Right now, mine are both at 0, which is totally normal if you have not placed a trade yet. And that's it. Setting TP and SL on MEXC Futures is super simple, but it can make a huge difference in managing risk and maximizing profit. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow traders, and comment below if you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.